Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find people on Bluesky. It is pretty easy to do. As you can see here, I'm now logged in to the web version. I'll teach you how to do so on the phone app as well. Alright, first up, to find people here on Bluesky web, just go ahead and use the search function right here at the top right. Alright, click on it. Now let's try to find, for example, Mark Cuban. Alright, as you can see here in the drop down, there are a ton of results right here. So basically based on the particular profile picture, as you can see here, I'm going to click on this one. And there we have the legend Mark Cuban. Now, if you want to follow, just go ahead and click on follow right here. And if you want to see more options about this profile, just click on the three dots right here besides it. All right, click on it. You can share this particular profile, add to list, mute account, block account, or report the account. Now, to do this on phone, as you can see here in the phone app, you can just go ahead and click or tap on this magnifying icon right here at the bottom left near home. Tap on it. And again, the search function, Mark Cuban. All right, as you can see here, I'm just going to tap on the first option right here in the drop down. That is the easiest way you find people on Bluesky. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.